Take out. The official Equiapin Polo
manager, lawyer,
his manager today.
The official Equiapin Polo money collector.
You come there, that means you come there.
How can I collect money when it's a phone number?
By that guy, the guy who accused you,
husband, landlord, personal motivator, boyfriend, kisser, negotiator,
DKB.
appealer,
Let me. Do you have any idea what the Equiapin Polo is going to say at the press conference?
Do I have any idea? I think one idea I have is she's going to appreciate people who have been there for her, reciprocate the love. But when it comes to the legality, I really don't know what she's going to put across. But I know for sure she's coming to appreciate people like Rich Rockstone, who, stood out for her.
Like you. When the information came out that she's going to have a press conference, some people think it's not necessary. What do you think, DKB?
Take them go inside and the rest on YouTube.
No time.
Take them go.
DKB.
Go the rest
I'm saying that when the information came out that Equiapin Polo is going to have a press conference, people are saying it's not necessary. What do you think?
It's not necessary, so she should have done naming ceremony. Naming ceremony or drink up.
They said they should wait for the case to be over before she speaks.
The press needs to know what's going on.
Okay.
And you see, I don't know what's wrong with people sometimes. They just share opinions over things they don't know about. Press conferences are important because you can't you can't obviously speak to each and every pressman on your
individually.
So you have a press conference and they all come. And you spread out the information. Same way I had many people on WhatsApp asking me for contact to send money. Many people on Twitter, Instagram. What did I have to do? Create a poster with her contact so everybody goes to it. So it's very important to centralize information for everybody to come to it. So those who are saying that a press conference is not important, I don't know what's important again. Maybe she should have done the ceremony, then it will be okay. So we are waiting for them to bring the drinks for Oblitago.
Okay, so we are waiting for Equiapin Polo to come.
Yeah, I just got in here. I didn't sleep early. I'm an important person.
Yeah.
So
where?
Is that
Important person where?
Important person where? How? Are
Let
you
me hear
offended?
in the case or where?
In the case, how?
So you're an important person.
I said I slept at 10 a.m. today because I'm an important person. You are saying in relation to the case. Is the case a bedroom? Zion, almost one plastic. You alone, you are two people, Zion and Felix. How can you think for one?
So answer the question.
Yeah, so I happened to come late, but from here I'll be going to prepare for my show on Angel TV, Boogie with Ohima. That's going to be live on Angel. Then from there I head to UTV and then World War III.
Okay, the press conference was supposed to start at 2. Yes. It's almost 4 now.
Yes.
Why is this? Is it
why? Please, I'm not in the body house. That's why I'm a star. I can come the time I want.
No, not you.
But who?
Why is the press conference not started?
Why hasn't it started?
Yes, because we're supposed to start at 2.
I'm sure Polo is busy doing the best of makeup.
Okay.
Because he has to do the makeup for the, to cover the police station wahala, do the makeup to clear the. It's a one thing.
So makeup is the reason why she's late.
Maybe I think so. I don't know. I think she's trying to look her best.
Okay.
Because if she doesn't look her best, we put camera on her. Why is your face looking blue black? You understand?
Okay, DKB, thank you.
You're welcome, boss.
It's not my day. So I'm praying to restrict yourself and leave legal issues. But don't display any legal issue in the public again. With appeal, I have filed it. And I'm waiting for agents to respond. I'm praying.
Thank you.
Sorry for wasting your time. the time to. For me, I'm a time conscious person. I was the first person to enter this building today around 11. I'm sorry they disappointed me these 2 hours. I'm sorry for everybody. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
They said they are downstairs, so they will be climbing.
Squaddy.
This way.
Thank you so much.
Okay, good.
Oh, Zion. Thank God. Thank God.
Take out.
The piece may be necessary. Yeah, the piece may be necessary. You understand what you said?
All right.
You understand what you said?
Okay, so let's leave it there for the time.
Maybe just a question. What was it like being in prison?
No.
We haven't gone there.
What's the thank you to? Everyone joined
say a big thank you to the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, whom, upon receiving a lot of petitions from well-meaning Ghanaians and friends, both home and abroad, to intervene in my situation, gave a listening ear to my life. Secondly, I'd like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfrey Dame, for his great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7 years